Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like trees?
Yes, because trees provide us with clean air, beautiful scenery, and a connection to nature. They also provide shade from the sun and help to keep our environment cool, as well as homes for a variety of animals.
Question number 2. What kinds of trees do you like?
I enjoy all types of trees, but my favorites are oak, maple, willow, and cherry trees. From their leaves to their bark, each of these tree species has something unique and beautiful to offer.
Question number 3. Do you think trees are important?
Yes, without a doubt. Trees are necessary for a healthy environment because they provide habitat for wildlife and help to keep our air and water clean. They also give us a sense of calm and a connection to the natural world.
Question number 4. Are there many trees in your hometown?
Yes, there are many trees in my hometown. We have several parks with a variety of trees, ranging from large old oak trees to smaller fruit trees such as apple and cherry. We also have many evergreen trees, such as spruce and pine.
Question number 5. Do you like planting trees?
Yes, I do, because planting trees is a great way to contribute to a healthier environment and help preserve an area's natural beauty. It's also a wonderful way to spend time outside and reconnect with nature.
Question number 6. What kinds of trees do you plant?
Native tree species such as oak, maple, ash, and willow are usually planted. I also enjoy growing fruit trees such as apple and cherry, as well as evergreens such as spruce and pine.
Question number 7. Do you think we should plant more trees?
Yes, I believe we should plant more trees because trees are necessary for a healthy environment and the health of our planet. Planting more trees helps clean up the air, give wildlife a place to live, and make the landscape look better.
Question number 8. What are the benefits of planting more trees?
There are numerous advantages to planting more trees. Trees can help to reduce air pollution, save energy by providing shade, improve water quality by filtering pollutants, provide habitat for wildlife, and make the landscape more beautiful.
Question number 9. Have you ever planted trees?
Yes, I have previously planted trees. I have planted oak, maple, ash, willow, apple, cherry, spruce, and pine trees, among others. Planting trees is an excellent way to contribute to a healthier environment and help preserve an area's natural beauty.
Question number 10. Did you ever climb a tree when you were a child?
Yes, I used to climb trees as a kid. I recall spending hours climbing and exploring the branches of an old oak tree in my backyard. planting trees was a great way for me to explore my neighborhood and get close to nature.
Question number 11. Do you think we need to protect trees?
Yes, without a doubt. Trees are necessary for a healthy environment and should be protected. We must take action to prevent deforestation, protect old growth forests, and ensure that development does not destroy trees. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.